Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Are you still relying on VLOOKUP for all your data lookups in Excel? It's a classic function, but it has its frustrations. The dreaded NA errors, the fact that it can only look to the right, and how it breaks completely if you insert a new column. Well, it's time for an upgrade. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to its powerful and flexible successor, XLOOKUP. So, what is XLOOKUP? Think of it as the modern version of VLOOKUP. It's designed to be easier to use, more robust, and much more versatile. Let's see it in action. Here we have a simple table with employee IDs, names, and their departments. Our goal is to find the department for a specific employee ID. With the old VLOOKUP, you'd have to select the entire table and count columns. With XLOOKUP, it's much more intuitive. I'll type equals XLOOKUP. It asks for three simple things to start. The lookup value. This is the employee ID we are searching for. I'll click on the cell with the ID. The lookup array. This is the column where Excel should look for the ID. I'll select the entire employee ID column. The return array. This is the column with the information we want back. In this case, the department. I'll select the department column. I close the parentheses, press enter, and there's our answer. Simple as that. But here is where XLOOKUP really shines. Unlike VLOOKUP, it can look from right to left. Let's say we want to find the employee ID by using their name. No problem. I'll just set the name as my new lookup value, the name column as my lookup array, and the employee ID column as my return array. It works perfectly. This was impossible with VLOOKUP without rearranging your data. Another huge advantage is that XLOOKUP doesn't break. If I insert a new column in my table, the formula automatically updates and continues to work correctly. So, to sum it up, XLOOKUP can look in any direction. It's more durable when your table changes, and it's much easier to read and write. It's time to leave the limitations of lookup behind. Start using XLOOKUP in your spreadsheets today and simplify your workflow. If you found this tip helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Excel tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you've made the switch to XLOOKUP. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.